Welcome to Renata's Cookhouse. Today I will prepare Alu Dim Sedho Makha or mashed potato boiled eggs. This traditional Bengali recipe has many variations. Today I will show how my mom made it. It's a side dish served with the main course. It goes very well with rice, dal and roti. It can be used as a filling for sandwich, bell pepper pakora or tomato pakora. It's highly nutritious and yummy. The ingredients we need are hard-boiled eggs, skin is peeled off, 3. Boiled potato, 1 large, skin is peeled off. Finely chopped onion, half medium. Finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, 1 tablespoon, optional. Finely chopped green chilies, 3. Salt to taste. Mustard oil, 1 teaspoon. Add the potato, boiled eggs, chili, coriander leaves, onion, salt about half teaspoon and mustard oil in an utensil. Mash them all together with a vegetable masher or hand. Another process of doing this is mash the eggs and the potatoes separately, then add other ingredients, mix them well and serve. I like to do it in the way it is shown in the video because when I mash all the ingredients together, the juices of onion, coriander leaves or cilantro and the chilies blend well with other ingredients. This creates a magical taste. Taste frequently, add whatever is required as per our taste. Add it about a half teaspoon of salt. Keep mashing the mixture till it is mashed to our liking. Scrap the mixture attached to the masher off with a spoon. This minimizes wastage of the mixture. Then serve. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment and clicking on the like, subscribe and bell icon below. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.